Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add PDF to your Google Wallet. So in this video, we have two methods. So the first one is to add PDF to Google Wallet using the scan feature. So you can print the PDF and scan it or you can also manually add the PDF content to the Google Wallet by following these steps. First is you have to open the Google Wallet application on your smartphone and then go to the Cards or Passes tab. So from there, just tap on Add a Pass and then select PDF as the pass that you want to upload. And then from there, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to manually add a PDF ticket details to the Google Wallet. So once you're done with that, verify that all the information in the PDF ticket is correct and then tap on Save to save the PDF ticket. So for method number 2 is to add a PDF to Google Wallet through screenshots. So you can also use the screenshot function of a Google Pixel phone to upload your PDF ticket. So you just need to position the QR code or the barcode correctly. And here's how you can do that. First is open the application, go to the website or email that has your PDF ticket, open the PDF or the center the QR code or the barcode, and then make sure to take a screenshot. Now, once you're done with that, a notification will appear confirming that your phone has saved the screenshot. So just tap on Add to Google Wallet. Then the Google Pay website will open on your phone's web browser and just have to tap on Save. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!